Hey and welcome guys to our beginners partner work tutorial 2. Okay, let's begin. So guys, just like last time, we're going to begin on our left foot. We're going to step forwards and together, back and together on the right, forwards and together on the left, back and together on the right, forwards and together on the left, and then into your Cuban turn on the right foot. Hook, step, land, leading the lady with your right hand, guys, on the back, locking your arm in place and using your body weight and momentum to bring her around. On your left foot, guys, you're going to lead the ladies into your open step, bringing your hand down as you step back and together, and as you step back on the right, bring your left hand across the chest, causing the lady step back and together on her left. Now again, on your left foot, guys, bring the hand down as you step back and together, changing your hand positioning to your fingertips, palm to the sky, guys, ladies, palm to the ground. Guys, you're on your right foot, you're going to do a turn for yourself, stepping back on the right, forwards on the left, taking the hand over your head and turn. Okay, now turning the lady, we're on the left, we're going to extend the hand to make her go back, pull the hand up and forwards towards you to bring her towards you, and turn the lady round the head. Okay, causing her to pivot round to face you. Before on the right foot, guys, as we step back, ladies step back on the left and collect. Okay, now for the ladies.
Great, so we'll continue from where we are. So ladies, we're going to start with our right foot going backwards first. Back and together. Now left foot forward, forward and together. And again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more going back. 1, 2, 3. Into our Cuban turn, left foot going out. 5. Stepping across with the right, together with the left. Straight into open out. So right foot going back, out on the spot, together. Left foot going back, out on the spot, together. And again, 1, 2, 3. The guy has changed to hand hold. Something's about to happen. He's let go with our back, so our left arm is going to come down to our frame, just under your chest, the average level where it's going to be. And on 5, we step out with the left, across with the right, together with the left. Okay? So, the next part is the lady's turn. So right foot first. Going back, big step forward, together with the right. Now the last bit, very, very easy. Left foot goes back, very similar to a basic step, but on your left foot, we go back and together. And that's the routine.
Okay, let's go the whole way through. Quick demonstration. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I've added an extra basic. Cuban turn. Open back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time, guys, you turn. 5, 6, 7. Ladies turn. And close. 6, 7. And that ends our tutorial for yet another week. Well done, guys, and look forward to seeing you all for the next class.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.